Nnewi felt the presence of Zubby Michael and Jowizaza. It was an awesome time there in Nnewi. These guys had a blast and a wonderful time. I don't really know what they all went to Nnewi at the same time to do. I feel the only person who was not in this event was Obi Kubana, and it's very justifiable because he was celebrating the wife's birthday and it was a wonderful one, which I will also be bringing to you here. Anyway, the highlights of Zubby Michael and Jowizaza arrival in Nnewi, all I'll be doing here in this short video. Enjoy the video. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new here. Drop a comment in the comment section.
Ritualist on your way. Maybe what Chris I say wrong. On your way go. I'm going again. New doings. New doings. New doings. We go again. Michael, I got when you're talking my life. You were doing organic area, but new one of doing so. No, one knew what doing. It was a late start. Don't worry about no.